In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Capital One card to Apple Pay. We're going to walk through the setup right from your iPhone settings, so everything is clear and straightforward. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. This is the gray icon with gears that you use for most device configurations. Once you're in, scroll down until you find Wallet and Apple Pay. Go ahead and tap that to open your payment settings. Inside Wallet and Apple Pay, look for the section labeled Payment Cards. Tap Add Card. This is where you'll start the process of bringing your Capital One card into Apple Pay. On the next screen, select debit or credit card, then tap Continue to move forward. Now you'll choose how to provide your card details. You can either enter the information manually or use your camera to scan the card. Scanning is fast and accurate. Just align your card in the frame and let the iPhone capture the number. If you prefer to type, choose the manual option and enter your card number, expiration date, and security code, along with your name and billing address exactly as they appear on your Capital One account. When everything looks correct, tap Next. At this point, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your card. Apple Pay and Capital One will guide you through a quick verification to confirm it's really you. The prompts may include receiving a one-time code or confirming details in your banking app. Keep your iPhone connected to the internet and have access to your usual Capital One contact method so you can complete this step without interruptions. If you're asked for any additional confirmation, just proceed through the prompts until you see the success message. Once verification is complete, your Capital One card will be added to Apple Pay and ready to use. That means you can make secure contactless purchases in stores as well as pay in many apps and on websites that support Apple Pay. You'll see the Apple Pay or contactless symbol at checkout when it's available. Because your actual card number isn't shared with merchants, using Apple Pay helps keep your payment information private. That's the whole setup from start to finish using the built-in settings on your iPhone. You can now make purchases in stores, apps, and online using Apple Pay with your Capital One card. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.